this one, it has the park brake malfunction service, and this is the old one. About a new one. Pretty sure, I believe this is part number from Ford. I'm gonna put the new one in, and it should clear the light right away. So I put the new one in, and it clears the light right away. So I'm gonna press it on. There you go. Press it off. Light turns off. There you go. With the old park brake, when we hit the switch, the light will turn on and off, but it can never clear the service message right here on the screen, and little orange lights right here. So put in the new one, it clears the message. Now I'm gonna have it on. So you want it off, you gotta hit the brakes and hit the switch off, and automatically clear the message. That's it.